What's up, fellow traders? It's Saturday. We're right up there on the 200-day on the Dow and S&P. The Nasdaq's fluffed above it. That's okay. The more they fluff it up, the harder it's going to fall. As far as my trades, I still have my FAS, a healthy position right under 5. I got my light position in SRS. My average is 22.50. I got my short in Joann's right there at 23. I'm holding strong. I didn't add to that. I'm only going to talk about my puts that I have a chance on. My Disney $20 June puts are about my only puts I have a chance on here if the market starts to fall. On all my puts and option trades, they're very light bets anyways. They're just for little bonus cash. As far as my whole portfolio, right now I'm 50% in on the short side. First time in a long time I've been one way, okay? Except at the bottom in March, I wasn't hedged. That's where I feel I'm at right now, at that turning point, okay? I usually always have both longs and shorts going. I just feel super confident right now, and it's gonna play out. Let me grab the camera and go over this with you. This right here is about a 8-year chart of the Dow. This is the 70s right here. This is our 73 to 74 crash right here. And I just want to go over real quick. See how the low held? These higher highs and higher lows and lower highs and lower lows really stand. Okay? I've showed you where you could have picked up the breakdown in 07. But look how we came up. So our low held and we shot right up. We made a higher high here because that was our last rebound, so that's good. So see right here, it could have tricked people because right there wasn't a higher high, but we actually made a higher high. And then we came down and held our low and then clearly made a higher high here, which showed you we're off and running. And then we had a base going right here, okay, which now I'm going to flop over to the big picture. That's where that base comes in. Now this is the big doggy rally here from 80 to present, okay? I mean, that is massive, you know, from 900, 1,000 to 14,000. And this is why I'm showing this. We've come up and we were gonna attempt to make a lower low there. See that? But it held. That was the 02, 03 low, which I'm going to go over that next. But look at this. Then we came up and we fluffed right there. Okay? Anybody that's a monster trader, I don't care. They must keep secrets. Like these guys on Wall Street must be going home and just, oh my God, I can't believe they're doing this to these people. Because there's no volume. There's nobody buying right now. I don't care if the Feds and everybody's supporting the market. It's going to play out, guaranteed. Okay? But the overall picture, think of this as like 02 to 07. Follow me here. Boom. We came up, fluffed to a higher high. We almost made a lower low. We kind of did briefly. Higher high, and then now we got our first lower low after, look at this, 20-year run. I'm saying it here, folks, 2010 is gonna be ugly. Ugly. So in the whole picture, this could be the other scenario that plays out. If we go down and test these March lows and it holds, we could fluff up to like 12,000 by like 2012, when all the baby boomers got to start retiring and sucking their money out of the market. And then it's going to set up for the perfect crash because we had our first lower low and then our lower high. Pretty scary, huh? Let me come back over here. I have to close this out before I run out of time. I want to come all the way up to here. Now look at this in 01 to 02. See how we boom, made a lower low? This is like our November, March. Then we fluffed up. Look how we dinked the 200-day. See, this is what can happen. Dink the 200-day. We just dinked it. I'm looking for the pullback to like 78, 80 now on the Dow. And then it's going to probably try to dink it again before we come down to retest the March lows. But look, they have to hold. See? Now check this out. This is what's going to blow your mind, and I'm ending this out right here. Look at this at the top of the rally. I went over this. Okay? We tried to make a higher high, and we barely did right there. And then that's when the market broke down because we came down and made our first lower low right here. That's when the rally was done. Okay? And then you know what happened. We broke down. So this top and this top, follow me here. I'm going to end this right now. Okay? Is this top and this top for the 20-year bull market rally that's taken place. See, this was the fluff. I'm telling you. Anybody that was anybody that's been doing this for 30, 40, 50 years, they were dumping everything they had. That's why it was a massive frenzy right there. Everything. Because they knew that was it. It's time for a 10-year correction. Now, why I'm not worried for the big fluff to come right now, because see this right here? We've made a lower low. This 9,000, 9,100. If we don't break above that right now on this run, you have your lower high. I'll probably be coming at you with something else Sunday. I just took a little time to check some things out and wanted to share it. Good luck.